This spring side will really impress your guests. It's Ghanaian-Spiced Tenderstem. Oh my God, it's so good. Here we've got our spice mix. We've got nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, paprika, ginger. God, it smells amazing. Now we're going to make the marinade for the tenderstem.
This recipe is inspired by Ghanaian Suya spice, a West African spice blend that's packed with warming flavours like ginger, paprika and aromatic spices. First, I'm making the marinade by blending together ginger, garlic, onion, olive oil, chilli flakes and the Suya spice mix until nice and smooth. Tenderstem broccoli works really well with bold flavours like this because it has a naturally sweet, delicate taste that soaks up marinades beautifully. Once that's done, I'm coating the tenderstem broccoli in the marinade, making sure it gets right into all those little florets and along the stems. The smell of those rich spices is so exciting to me. I like to leave the tenderstem to marinate for at least an hour for maximum flavour. Then, instead of roasting it in the oven, I'm going to place it in the air fryer. Air frying is such a good way to cook tenderstem broccoli because it's quick and gives you those slightly crispy edges while keeping the broccoli perfectly tender. While that's cooking, I'm going to chop up some nuts and some fresh parsley for a delicious garnish. After just 8 minutes in the air fryer, the marinade caramelises slightly and the broccoli picks up all those amazing spices. Just look at that stunning colour, vibrant green with that gorgeous spice coating, and of course that signature crunch. You have to try this recipe, so unique and with a little heat too, so good.